tech enthusiast. Welcome to highly anticipated video where we will learn how to implement shopping cart in Python using classes and methods. We will create simple shopping cart system that allow us to add item, remove items and what is the total calculation of our cart. So these things we will learn in this video. So let's get started. I'm giving a class that name is item. In item, I'm defining a method constructor that is self. In item, I need three parameters like what item's ID, what item's price, and what item name. Like then, I'm defining here self.id equal to ID, then self.name equal to name, then self.price equal to price, price equal to price. Then I'm defining another class that is cart. So I need to define a constructor. I'm giving here an empty array. So I'm giving a name like items. All the items stored here in this empty array. Firstly, I'm defining here a method. So that is add item like that. And in add item, I need two parameters. First is obviously item, and second is quantity. Quantity. By default, I will set it to one. When we want to add item, so every time this item will open in this list. And what is the quantity of that item? Two things. I am storing in items array. Quantity. It will work. Obviously, it will work. Return self dot items. Self dot items. So how can I define it? Firstly, I need to define item. Item one equal to item and what parameters that they want. Like first is ID, second is that item name like item one, and that is price. So 10 rupees. That second item and price will be 20. Third item. And also I need to change name also I will change. It is 30. So three items I have. I'm defining here three items. I'm commenting here and define here items. So this item I need to I have three items. These three items and this item I need to add in my cart. So how can I do that? Firstly I need to define cart here. Like that. And I have cart here and my class. Like this is my class. And from that class like cart dot add item. And what I need here, one is item. So what is that item? That item is this. And second is quantity. Quantity I want to put 2. So how many items I want to add? I can do like 3 items I want to add. Item 2 also I want to add. And this quantity will by default 1 will go. This I want to add like 3. Item 3 will be 3. Item 1 will be 2 and item 2 will be 1. Means second item, about second item means 2 items in the cart. Here print, this will print item, 3 item in the cart. To check this, I'm writing here this is item 1. I'm adding here item 1. This is item 2. This is item 3. firstly item 1 added how many items? One item and counted 2. In item second it have two items. First is this item and second is this item. And in third it have three items. One, two, and this is three. So it is clear. I'm commenting here this thing and item or remove items. Remove item from the cart. What I need? Self and second item only. Which item I want to remove? Only two things I want to remove item. So I will iterate here like item of the cart in where self dot items. Self dot items. So if item cart of item dot id equal to item dot id, then I will remove self dot items. Self dot items dot remove what this, this item I will remove from the self dot items and I will return here self dot items. Here self dot items. So I need to remove not this item. I need to remove item card because item card and to remove here item card, not this item. Remove this item I want to remove. I will remove item second. So what I need to pass here? One is card dot remove item, and here in here item two I want to remove. So if I print, if I run my code in remove, it will go at quantity one. It will remove, but it is not remove. Why? We need to check. For the remove item, I made a mistake here, and to remove that mistake, I need to code like this. And here also I can, after remove my item, I can return self dot items. Calculate self calculate item price. To calculate item price, firstly we need to define how many means what is the price of our cart. So firstly it will zero. After that, we will run a loop for cart item self dot items. Self dot items. That every time I will run a loop and every time I will add in total. Every item price I will add in total. Cart item dot price into price quantity into price into quantity of that item. quantity. Card item dot price into card item quantity. I think something is wrong here. This is item. So okay, I'm making a mistake here. Now it will give me total price will be 20. How it will 20? Total price. Okay, got it. What you got? So this will be every time it will be run a loop and you have to put it outside. Like I want to remove item like item 2 from the list. So what will be the output? And it will minus like it will 110. So it is correct.